Shalom. Today is Wednesday, and on Wednesdays, we like to showcase some educational resources that we have available on our site. So feel free, go on our site, check it out. We have a ton of resources that you can download for free. We also have a good amount that you can purchase, use at home for homeschooling, for extra after your kids come home from school, even for yourself. So I hope you enjoy what we have to showcase today. Leave your comments below, and I look forward to learning with you in our next video. Shalom.